Hi guys, today I have a new watch for you, and this is an Omega Seamaster calendar, reference number CK2849. This watch dates from 1956 and it has inside a caliber 50503. It's a non-hacking movement, hand winding, and it beats at 19,800 beats per hour. That means 5.5 beats per second. This movement has a date function at 3 o'clock. This date has a quick set, semi-quick set. I will show you later on this video. So it's not quick set, it's a semi-quick set. You have to move the hour hand between 2300 and 1 o'clock, so you have to pass from 11 to 1 o'clock and back, and the date will change. Okay, let's go now with the case. The case, it's made of stainless steel. It has 34.5 millimeters diameter without the crown, 37 millimeters with the crown. Yeah, it has 42 millimeters from lug tip to lug tip and a thickness of 12.5 millimeters. As you can see here, it has a original Omega signed crown. The case, it's formed out of 3 parts: the case back, the case, mid case, and the bezel, which is a removable bezel. You can see the removable bezel, it's visible here, and a domed acrylic crystal. Okay, let's talk now about the dial. The dial is the most important part of this watch. It has this nice patina, which looks like a autumn forest in my opinion. It has all these colors. It goes from champagne in the middle to brown and copper colors. It's beautiful. The paint has wrinkles. It's beautiful. Applied indices shaped like big arrowheads. Applied gilt indices. Applied Omega logo, Omega automatic, Seamaster calendar. The paint used, it's radium, and as everybody knows, this is highly radioactive. It's active. The radium is active, but is not emitting light in the darkness anymore. But I will show you that the paint is still there. To do that, I will switch off the light and I will use the UV light. As you can see, traces of radium, it's still there, and it looks very nice and interesting. As you can see here, between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock there are some traces of radium on the dial. Nice. Okay, so we have discussed about the dial, about the indices, dolphin hands with radium applied, the Seamaster calendar, date. Okay, I said that I will demonstrate the semi quickset change. It's quite difficult to show you this. Okay, so we'll move the hour hand. Okay, that means it's midnight and it's changing. You go to 1 o'clock, you go back to 2300 and back over midnight, and it's changing back again, and so on as you go up and back. And that's the semi quickset date feature. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the movement. Okay, so what I said before, that it's an Omega 503 caliber. This is an in-house caliber made by Omega. I think manufacturing started in 1955, I think 1955. Yeah, this model dates from 1956. It has 20 joules. It's an automatic movement, and it's still very accurate, to about 3 to 4 seconds slow when it's on the wrist, and when it sits in the box with a dial up, it becomes fast, about 6 seconds. So all in all, it's about plus 2 seconds per day. It's very accurate. I wore this watch from Friday to Friday, and I had no deviation. The watch was 20 seconds ahead on the Friday I took, and the next Friday it was same, 20 seconds ahead. I wore this watch in rotation with other watches, and at the end of the week was on the spot. No gain, no lose. So it still beats very, very strong. 19,800 beats per hour. A nice watch. Okay, let's take a look on the side. Omega sign crown. From here you can see very clear the structure of the case with the bezel, mid case, and snap back case with the lugs. These beefy lugs, very big. Okay, let's take a look on the back. The Seamaster logo with waterproof. It's a snapback case, 18 millimeters lug width. I have on this watch a handmade leather strap with the original buckle, Omega buckle. Yeah, I think that's it. Thanks. Now, before I go, I will have to take a wrist shot. Okay, so this is a small watch. Yeah, it's a 34.5 millimeters watch in diameter, and it has 42 lug to lug. My wrist is about 18.5 centimeters, but I really like wearing this watch. It's matching my wrist. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.